Hi, my name is Evan, and I will be doing a short presentation on taxes, deadweight laws, and their effects on supply and demand. First, let's talk about why taxes are imposed in the first place. Governments are responsible for maintaining our roads, building schools and hospitals, etc. These expensive responsibilities are largely funded through the collection of taxes. When a tax is placed on a good, the price of that good increases for the buyer, which in turn decreases the quantity sold compared to the pre-tax level, also decreasing the price that sellers receive for that good. This decrease in quantity sold is called deadweight loss. We can visualize this decrease in quantity sold by placing a line to the left of our equilibrium point on this supply and demand graph. The height of the line is the amount of tax placed on the good, and when it touches both the supply and demand curves, that is the new equilibrium point. As we can see, it is to the left of the pre-tax equilibrium, which is where the two lines intersected, meaning that there is a decrease in quantity sold and an increase in price for the consumer and decrease in price received by the seller. In markets In markets that are more elastic, deadweight loss is greater because either the seller or buyer can easily leave the market when prices get hot. And the opposite is true for inelastic markets. In these markets, demand is far less influenced by price because these are often necessary goods like groceries, medicine, etc. So how does the government decide how much and where to impose tax? Um, Well, the size of the tax or tax revenue that the government collects can be calculated multiplying the tax imposed by the quantity sold. If the government wanted to optimize their revenue, they would impose higher taxes on inelastic goods because demand won't change very much no matter what the price is. An example of this would be imposing a tax on gasoline. A large portion of our population relies on cars to get us to work or school, thus relying on gas to power these cars. If the government imposes a tax on gasoline, it will cost the buyers more to fill up their cars. However, demand for gas likely won't change very much. This results in a small deadweight loss and greater tax revenue for the government. In conclusion, neither buyer or seller benefits from taxes. The deadweight loss prevents mutually beneficial transactions from occurring, and this deadweight loss is greater exaggerated in more elastic markets than compared to inelastic markets. But at the end of the day, the only winner after taxes is the government.